mighty wild rock flies high with spreading his wings, whose lofty and unyielding character superiors to that of any other creature. The magnanimity has reached the whole universe due to his fully inclusive soul. In 2008, Hengyang Jinhua Science and Technology Group entered into the gas cylinder manufacturing industry in response to the national industrial policy of energy conservation and emission reduction. Henceforth, Jinhua High Pressure Container Company Limited, ahead against the trend in the international financial crisis. 10 years of growing, she hardened iron into steel. 10 years of weighing and reining. Now, she has become the leader of domestic steel seamless gas cylinders, compressed natural gas cylinders for vehicles, hoop-wrapped composite CNG cylinder with steel liner for vehicles. Used Jinhua gas cylinder, safety in the world, has been passed down from mouth to mouth, deeply rooted in the hearts of people, and made in Jinhua is famous for all over the world. In 2008, Jinhua High Pressure Container Company Limited spent total of 500 million yuan to build 3 automated production lines with a total annual output of 500,000 high-pressure gas cylinders. The first project invested 250 million yuan and completed the production line with the annual production capacity of 200,000 gas cylinders. Now, she has been the largest manufacturer of high-pressure seamless gas cylinders in the south of China. After all put into production, the annual sales income will up to 800 million yuan and will achieve the profits and taxes over 100 million yuan. In 2009, Jinhua High Pressure Container Company Limited obtained the special manufacturing license issued by AQSIQ and got the production license qualification of B1 and B3 level. The main product includes size from 5,219 to 5,406 diameter, water capacity from 28 liter to 180 liter, over 30 kinds of models totally, whether industrial gas cylinder or cylinders for vehicle. All categories are complete and can provide comprehensive solutions for customers. Jinhua High Pressure Container Company, based on its domestic marketing with global vision, and takes the international standard of the industry as the production standard of the enterprise. In 2010, the company successfully obtained the ISO 9001-2008 Management System Certification approved by France Bureau Veritas International Inspection Group (BV), the ISO 11439-2000 Product and Factory Certification Certificate approved by SGS Standards Technical Service Company Limited (SGS). In 2015, it obtained the TS 16949-2009 Management System Certification approved by Finance Bureau Veritas (BV). CNG type gas cylinders exported Uzbekistan National Inspection Exemption Certificate and Russian Custom Union CUTR Certificate. In 2016, obtained the Immature Certificate approved by France BV International Inspection Group and obtained permit export to Brazil. In 2017, passed the IATF 16949 Management System Certification approved by Bureau Veritas International Inspection Group (BV). It is one of the most qualified gas cylinder manufacturers with the most certification in the industry. From purchase of raw material to manufacturing process, then to inspection and testing, from cutting to finished products, and then to the production. More than 20 processes, all of them are interlocking and control the product's quality strictly. Main materials and auxiliary materials are selected from international and domestic first-line brands. The main material steel pipe is supplied by world-famous seamless steel pipe manufacturer, Valin Steel Tube Company Limited, and the auxiliary materials such as valves, glass fiber, and so on are supplied by domestic first-line brands. To strictly ensure that do not use qualified raw materials, the testing equipment is complete and advanced. From raw materials entered the factory to the whole production process, all relevant testing can be done independently. There is inspection during the production process in order to check and promote quality to ensure strictly that unqualified products will not come into the market. All cylinders produced by Jinhua are underwritten by PPIC of China. In 2015, Jinhua High Pressure was awarded many honors such as Hunan High-Tech Enterprise, Hunan Famous Trademark, Hunan Famous Brand Product, and etc. Since becoming a NID-listed company, Jinhua High Pressure has seized the Belt and Road strategic opportunity of China and has built up a global gas cylinder kingdom with its vigorous vitality and outstanding competitiveness. In China, the products are supplied all over the country, and 5 major marketing networks have been established, which are in Northwest China, North China, Southwest China, South China, and East China. Jinhua High Pressure has achieved a strategic cooperation with a number of vehicle manufacturers such as Chongqing CEARI, Chang'an Automobile, Chengdu Bus, Shanghai Volkswagen, Hunan CRRC, Tangchun Automobile, Kama Motors, Yancheng Kia, Beiqi Fulton, and Malaysia Proton, and so on. In global, 5 foreign train windows have been built in the Middle East, Russia, North Africa, Southeast Asia, and South America, and products are exported to Russia, Malaysia, Armenia, Indonesia, Thailand, Uzbekistan, South Korea, Vietnam, Brazil, Colombia, Mexico, Peru, Bangladesh, Argentina, Thailand, and Tobago, and Bolivia, and so on. Jinhua High Pressure Container Company grows rapidly of the industry and becomes the focus of the world's attention. The leaders of provinces and municipalities visit the Jinhua and offered great concert and support in terms of policy. In 2013, Jinhua was transformed into a limited company, and in December worked with Wanlian Securities to officially launch the new 3-board listing. On May 6, 2014, Jinhua High Pressure Container Company was successfully listed on the National Equities Exchange and Quotations NWEQ. On May 23, 2014, Chairman Peng Qi went to Beijing to participate in the listing ceremony of the National SME Share Transfer System. Jinhua's successful listing has created 4 firsts in the history of Hengyang's capital development. The first new 3rd board listed company in Thousand Hunan, the first NWEQ listed company in Hunan, the first private listed company in Hengyang City, the first registered and controlling shareholder in Hengyang in 18 years. Also the first local listed company in the gas cylinder manufacturing industry. In the next 5 years, Jinhua will continue to expand second construction scope for gas cylinder production line and new cold draw high pressure gas cylinder 2 production line. In order to expand production capacity and build an upstream independent supply chain to further enhance product competitiveness and achieve intensive development of the real economy. At the same time, in the capital market, Jinhua plans to carry out a series of industrial chain extension mergers and acquisitions, actively integrates industry resources, and strives to achieve A-share listing to become a benchmark private listed enterprise in the gas cylinder manufacturing industry, to make Made in China become Made in the World.